how to fix Instagram login error in less than 1 minute. Hello guys, so all what you have to do to fix this problem is very easy and simple. Just open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps like this, and then go to apps and click on Instagram. Now on this page, all what you have to do is click here on data usage and make sure to enable the background data and the roaming data, and click here on storage, click on clear data and clear cache. Go back. Now all what you have to do is very simple. Just click here on this option, it's called force stop, and then reopen Instagram and the problem must be fixed. Now yeah, that's it for today's video. If the problem didn't fix it, then all what you have to do is check our other videos. We have many solutions for this problem. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.